हेलो एवरीबॉडी। आज हमारे साथ में है मेरी बहुत ही पुरानी डेंटल पेशेंट एंड अ वेरी रेगुलर स्किन क्लाइंट. शी इज़ ऑल्सो अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, बट आई मैनेज टू कॉल हर अप टू गिव अस अ वेरी ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू. Plus she had some questions or doubts which she wanted to get cleared, but her questions were very common, so I thought we'll cover it up to clear up the doubts or queries of many other skin clients as well. So Mrs. Ghosh, how are you?
Good, hello, thank you so much.
You had some questions which you asked me over phone, so I thought we would cover them over the screen so that the doubts of many other patients are cleared as well.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask you, the treatment that I take from you, skincare treatment, and I have really got very good results, and thanks to you. And I wanted to know whether these skincare treatments that I take from you, how is it different from the skincare treatments I used to take from other salons? But what the results that I got from your skincare treatments is par excellence. Why is it so?
Thank you for the wonderful compliment that you've given me. Well, I would not take the whole credit on my own. The reason is the science behind it. The knowledge of the things which are being used on your skin and the machines or the treatments that we have designed specially for your skin as per your skin needs. One thing, every weather, every season, the skin needs they change. Since you have been a regular person for the medifacials for the treatment of the skin as well as the medifacials that you took, you might remember that the facial that I gave you, the medifacial that I gave you in January was different from the medifacial we did in July.
Yeah.
So there are few things. One is skin के needs क्या है, उनकी problems क्या है. First time you came to me with a D10 problem. Second time up, you noticed few fine lines and we treated that, if you remember.
Yeah.
Third time you had some acne developing on your chin because of the hormonal issues. तो हमने फिर वो किया. तो this is the difference. जब हम एक medifacial बोलते हैं तो हम exactly उसको treatment दे रहे हैं. फेशियल वर्ड को अक्सर लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. फेशियल मीन्स रबिंग द स्किन एंड गेटिंग. यस, मसाजिंग इज अ पार्ट ऑफ मेडिफेशियल, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इसके जो मसाजेस होते हैं दे एड इन लिम्फेटिक ड्रेनेज. हमारा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट गोल होता है कि फेशियल लिम्फेटिक्स को हम बहुत अच्छी तरह एक्टिवेट कर दें, तो जो भी ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस डेवलप हो रहा है आपके स्किन में वो ना हो. सेकेंड थिंग, नोइंग व्हाट प्रोडक्ट इज टू बी यूज्ड एंड व्हेन इट इज़ टू बी यूज्ड. लाइक द सिरम्स दैट आई यूज्ड, ऑब्वियसली बहुत डिफरेंट होते हैं. अगर एक्नेज आ रहे हैं तो सिरम्स दूसरे हैं, अगर आपको फाइन लाइन्स आ रहे हैं तो सिरम्स दूसरे हैं.
Just Dr. Shilpa, I wanted to ask you, the machines that you use on my face, so are there any side effects or are they harmful? And that HIFU treatment which I took from you, and it really gave me good results, but are there any harmful side effects or effects?
Very nice question, Annapurna. See, you're taking the treatment since 2 years. तो पहले तो ये बताओ अगर कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स होने वाले होते तो अब तक तो विजिबल होने चाहिए थे.
Very true.
Second thing, all my machineries are US FDA approved machines, and above all is the knowledge ki how to use them. Like it is customized to your skin needs. मैंने पहले भी जैसे बोला, it's not that if I'm doing laser hair reduction or if I'm doing a photo facial तो जो पावर मैं आपके फेस पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ वही सेम पावर मैं दूसरे क्लाइंट के भी यूज़ करूँगी, क्योंकि स्किन डेप्थ, पिगमेंटेशन की डेप्थ्स और पिगमेंटेशन के टाइप्स हर किसी के वेरी करते हैं. उसी हिसाब से उसी पावर्स और उसी स्ट्रेंथ पे वी यूज़ द सिरम्स और द मशीन्स एज वेल. तभी ही रिजल्ट्स फिर genuinely and honestly when I try to deliver work.
And I really wanted to thank you. And one more thing I want to tell you and others, that the products that you keep, that is also very much customized, I guess, because the products that you have given, the sunscreen that you have given based on my skin type, the serums that you have advised me to use based on my skin types, that has really given me that confidence. And now I feel very confident when I go out and I know that there is someone who will take care of my skin, and my old age also will be very radiant and vibrant. I know that.
Thank you so much for the wonderful I should say this is the reward.
I am getting older, no doubt about it, but I know I'll be a graceful woman, and thanks to you, because of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And I really want my skin to look not younger but healthier. and I depend totally on Dr. Shilpa for this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I highly recommend Dr. Shilpa for skincare treatment, and not only for skincare treatment but for dental treatments as well. और मैं कैसे भूल सकती हूँ, इतना पेनलेस, बिल्कुल विदाउट एनी पेन उन्होंने मेरा रूट कनाल ट्रीटमेंट करा, एंड मुझे कोई दर्द नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ, एंड इट इज़ वर्किंग वंडरफुली वेल. Highly recommend Dr. Shilpa for dental as well as for skincare treatment. Thank you.